Hello, Rohit. Welcome to Life in Lockdown with Electric Wheels. And it is so exciting to have you on board. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
Thank you for having me. Nice, great, feels great.
So, Rohit, would you like to share how are you dealing with this lockdown?
Well, it was tough. Right now, it is very tough. To begin with, honestly speaking, I felt like it was a holiday. Like we used to get in school days when it rained for 2, 3 days and we didn't attend school. There was no homework at all, so we used to enjoy. And that was what my feeling was for the first 2 or 3 weeks. I just lay in bed. Work was just minuscule, but then suddenly it started dawning that okay, I have to work. I have to get my things in the right place. I have a very naughty toddler in the house who keeps on harassing me and my wife both. Then I have to look at food supplies, everything. So slowly it started dawning on me. But right now it is tough. Not easy. Being a parent of a toddler and both of us working, it makes life difficult.
Right, right. I can understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we once again congratulate you for going green, going electric. You own an electric scooter, which you bought few months back. Rohit, would you share how are you using this in this current period, in this lockdown?
I'm using it to get my groceries, my milk, and daily supplies. In this lockdown, it's really nice because I don't have to go to the petrol pump, and get come in contact with different people. So that way, it is helpful. That is the main advantage of having an electric scooter. I only bother about myself, my family, and my travel anywhere else. So that is a big advantage of owning one. And that scooter has gave me freedom from using my car, because for small supplies and all I don't have to start my car again and again. So that was a blessing. That's why I switched to electric.
Wonderful. And who all in the family is using this?
Right now it's just me and my wife. I did try to teach my father. He's 79, but he accepts any challenge very easily. But he's getting used to it. Not as fluent as my me and my wife.
That's wonderful. And how is your wife's experience?
See, the scooter that we bought is of a very light model. She's a bit on a bulky side, but that has been a bit of a problem because when carrying two people on the scooter, it makes it difficult to it vibrates, or it goes down, as even if the tires are well inflated. So that is one thing that we have found. So we use it only individually. Individual, just if there is just one rider, then that bike is very nice. Maybe I'll upgrade to a newer model or a better model next time.
Right. So, what will be the total weight on the scooter, if I may ask? If there are two people?
See, two people somewhere around 100 kgs or 120 kgs, plus our toddler son, who would be somewhere around 15 to 16 kgs. So that makes it difficult, and plus the groceries and all. So it does carry us around our locality to buy the daily needs and all. But I wouldn't advise it to anyone,
Okay.
especially the model that I am owning.
Okay. So, the payload actually carries 150, but thank you so much for this feedback. I will make a note of this.
Sure.
Yeah. What are the advantages? Any kind of story that you would like to share around the scooter that made you proud to make this choice of going electric?
Look, we are polluting the environment. Uh, Whatever we do, we dispose our waste. However we do it. Let's say, even if we use dustbins, we are leaving a carbon footprint behind. It cannot be denied. Even if I have to travel to a business meeting, that means I'm using the taxi. That means I'm using the aeroplane, and I'm leaving a carbon footprint behind. Indians are known to leave the biggest carbon footprint, even if plastic is banned or certain substances are banned in India, but still Indians are big. and that made me realize that it is my duty, at least as a person, to start giving back something to the environment. I own a farmhouse in Alibag, and I made it a point that for the first 5 years that was a barren land. But then I realized, when I started self-realizing, I started planting trees over there, and these trees are nothing to do with getting produce. This is random trees. Some trees are known for giving off more oxygen. That is where we started planting. And the second thought came is how to reduce my vehicular carbon footprint. One way to do is by going electric vehicle car, but those are expensive. And in India, there are not many charging points across for electric vehicles. So we started with small. We started, let's use a bike, and this has been proven a very good investment, or sort of a blessing to us in this lockdown period and all. One story that I would like to share is everyone in the starting phase of the lockdown, when it began in March, there was a very complete lockdown, strict lockdown, where petrol pumps and all were closed, and only my vehicle was roaming about in Palava city. So that was, a thumbs up. People used to ask me, "How is your bike running?" And rest everybody is, searching for petrol here and there. I saw people carrying bottles of 1 liter bottles of petrol and all, but my bike never gave me any problem. The rechargeable battery, that you can carry it with a case along and charge it at your home. That is the super point that I would like everybody to know, and it has been great so far. So no complaints.
Wonderful sharing and such insightful experience about your movement towards this, control of the environment in whatever little bit you can do. Amazing, and feel proud to be associated. Thank you so much. And what are
Welcome.
the overall disadvantages in the electric scooter that you see?
Uh, See, like I told you, the shock absorbent needs to be worked on, because the scooter, while carrying two people and groceries, would tend to go down even if the tires are inflated. That is one. The second thing, which you already know, the key mechanism which got failed after just 1 month, 2 months rather, which you were prompt enough to, when I complained to you, you were prompt enough to get it repaired, and I'm so thankful for you for doing that at a moment's notice. And So that needs to be worked on. I also feel that the overall body of the model that I own, Oreva, the model, that needs the plastic seems a bit soft. Some places, if it can be hard and all, that would give a overall sturdy feeling to the bike. And so, for example, when my father started using it, he fell down. Not no injuries at all, but he went down with the scooter, and he said, the first thing he said to me, that the scooter feels very soft to touch and all. I feel that the bike might break. That is why I didn't let go of the bike. So that was his main concern. So the plastics and all, if they are hard, somewhat hard, might help the quality of the bike.
I understand, and I agree with this. I guess because of ARAI approvals, the standards to maintain that, and to have no license, no registration on a certain weight of the bike. These factors are considered, but definitely a good point, and your experience that you have shared, I will definitely note this and take it forward. So overall, if you have to give a message to the manufacturer, what would you like
Yeah.
to share?
Uh, Make the overall design more futuristic. Polish off the rough edges. I can see gaps between the handle and the body of the scooter. Try to make it more futuristic. I'm okay to pay a few extra bucks for the design and all, but this is a good start. This is like a good investment to start off as a sample pack sort of a thing. But the overall bike, if you look at it, it can be more futuristic in design. The length can be shortened if possible. The third feedback is the battery case, which is just like a stainless steel container, can be more of rubberized material, so that while carrying and all, it doesn't scratch the surface or the person who is carrying it. So it can be a more rubberized body, rather finishing. So those are the few points that I thought.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So I guess the weight also increases of the battery when it comes in the steel case.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
So
can
I
be.
there are certain factors again which were considered is, because these are the batteries which need the scooter runs on the battery, and battery is a very important component of the scooter, electric scooter. So I guess to make it more strong and sturdier, maybe the steel case came in the picture. But I will definitely again put forth this feedback, and try and see what we can work around, to make this change. Yeah. Uh, so Rohit, you are living in Dombivli and Palava city, and we are in Airoli. You still landed, to get the electric scooter. You landed at Airoli, Navi Mumbai, and you still are happy with the distance or whatever. So what made that, stronger in your decision?
Well, honestly speaking, like I said, I was looking for something electric of a vehicle to go to, and I searched many brands. Oreva never came into mind, honestly speaking. I searched Hero Honda, then I searched Honda Electric, I searched Okinawa. All those brands, it felt like those shops were closing off. And then I had my doubts whether the electric scooters are the way forward, because why would the shop owners close their shops down? But then while commuting to work, I just happened to glance upon this electric wheels your shop, and I was intrigued again that this is okay. We can at least inquiry, sort of a thing, and maybe I can get a Honda scooter. Rather, that was my preference. I'll tell you, and I told you also when I came to your shop. But something something like this, being Indian, or ever being manufactured in India, and also that those points clicked. Other than that, Honda and all, those are a bit expensive, and Oreva seemed to fit my budget. The other point is, being in Dombivli doesn't matter. The distance I travel to work is 33 kilometers every day. So it was on your shop was on my way, and things just clicked that way.
Right. So again, considering the distance, you think the service gets affected, or the response time gets affected? How have you experienced
No.
that?
The service has been excellent. I'll give you a 5-star rating whenever if anybody asks me. Like I said, you repaired my lock, the bike lock, on the first call that I made to you. You delivered the bike on my son's birthday, even if it was 11:30 in the night. You delivered along with your partner, so that was excellent. And the service, the distance doesn't matter. So for me right now, it's almost, I believe it's 10 months, 8 months that I've taken the bike, and apart from the key issue, there have been no issues at all. It's smooth ride altogether.
Amazing, and it really feels good and proud to be associated with something like this, which gives this kind of results. So thank you once again. And have you referred this scooter to any of your friends or family or relatives?
So good that you asked this question. I was not sure I was going to add to this. See, my friends, my family who visits us regularly, my uncles, aunts, their children. So we have few teenagers who are growing up, in our family. My neighbors, we have about 64 flats in our building, 8 floors. All of them inquired, "What is this?" Why? Some of them saw me carrying that case, battery case, and they stopped me and inquired, "What is this? What are you doing?" And I proudly showed them my electric bike. So that was good. That was a good feeling.
Right. So yes, you are using a 100% made in India scooter with a very superior quality battery, that is the lithium ferrous phosphate. And we are so proud to have you with us as a family in Electric Wheels. Thank you once again for doing this for us. And a small token of appreciation will reach you soon from Electric Wheels. Thank you so
That's
much.
nice. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe. Bye
Bye.
bye.
You too. Bye.